Want to tap into 50 million fashion-hungry European shoppers? Today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about selling on Zalando, Europe's biggest fashion marketplace. And stick around because I'll show you exactly how to get paid from 25 different countries without the headache, something most beginners mess up. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Zalando and why should you care right now? Think of Zalando as the Amazon of fashion in Europe. Zalando began in Berlin as an online fashion store and has grown into a curated, multi-brand platform spanning fashion, footwear, accessories, beauty and lifestyle. For sellers, there are three key paths. First, the partner program. You list under your own brand, keep pricing control and manage assortment and promotions while selling directly to Zalando's audience. Second, connected retail. Ideal if you already run physical stores and want to sync in-store inventory to sell online. Third, Zalando Fulfillment Solutions, often called ZFS. Zalando stores, picks, packs, ships and handles returns for you from its pan-European network while you retain ownership of stock. Think of ZFS as the fashion-focused equivalent of an FBA-style service. Why does Zalando matter right now? Reach and trust. European shoppers already come to Zalando with strong purchase intent for fashion and beauty, which can translate to solid conversion rates if your content and pricing are on point. The second reason is infrastructure. Expanding into multiple EU markets can be messy for delivery, returns, and compliance. Zalando's ecosystem, especially ZFS, helps you meet local expectations on speed, returns, and customer communication without building that capability from scratch. If you're coming from Shopify, Amazon, or a single marketplace, Zalando is a way to reach fashion-centric buyers in Germany, the Nordics, the Netherlands, France, Italy, Spain, and beyond with a single integration strategy. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, you're tapping into a high-intent audience that's browsing specifically for apparel, footwear, and beauty, not random general goods. You keep brand and pricing control in the partner program, which helps protect positioning and margins. And ZFS takes the pain out of logistics and returns, which are notoriously complex in fashion. On the downside, Zalando is curated. Onboarding standards are real. You'll need clean product data, compliant labeling, correct EANs, and strong imagery to be approved and to rank. Fees are category-based and can be meaningful once you include logistics and returns, so you need to model profitability carefully. Also, fashion returns in Europe are higher than many other categories. If you don't plan for return costs up front, margins can vanish fast. Here's how to start. Step 1. Confirm eligibility and target markets. Choose 1 to 2 core countries to pilot so you can learn fast without overextending. Step 2. Prepare your catalog. You'll need EAN 13 barcodes, compliant materials and care labeling, and images that meet Zalando's specs, front, back, details, on model where relevant, and consistent backgrounds. Great imagery and size coverage directly impact conversion and returns. Step 3. Choose your integration. You can connect via Zalando's portal, Z-Direct, or through a certified integrator if you want more automation across inventory, picking, and order flows. If you already run stores, evaluate connected retail to unlock local stock. Step 4. Decide on logistics. You can ship yourself with your carrier stack or send stock to ZFS to centralize storage, shipping, and returns across markets. Many brands start by shipping themselves, then migrate top sellers to ZFS for faster delivery and better return handling. Step 5. Launch, learn, scale. Use analytics to track sell-through, return drivers, size performance, price elasticity, and seasonal lift. Tweak titles, attributes, and imagery. Build a promotional calendar around peak moments like mid-season sales and Cyber Week. Fees and costs deserve their own moment. On the partner program, expect a category-based marketplace service fee that's applied to each sale. If you use ZFS, you'll pay separate logistics costs for inbound, storage, outbound, and returns. The right way to think about this is contribution margin after fees and returns. Build a simple model. Price minus marketplace fee minus average shipping and handling minus expected returns and refurbishing equals contribution. Run sensitivity tests for return rates and discount ladders so you know your safeguard rails before peak season. Now, how do payouts work? You'll receive settlements from Zalando that reflect your sales minus applicable marketplace and logistics fees based on your configuration. Timing can vary by program and market. If you're selling across multiple EU countries, you'll quickly accumulate balances in different currencies. Converting each payout ad hoc through your everyday bank can mean hidden spreads and fees that eat into your margin. That's where a better payout stack matters. Here's the world-first tip. Use a multi-currency business account to receive marketplace payouts in the original currency and only convert when it makes sense. With World First's World Account, you can get local receiving accounts in major currencies, consolidate Zalando payouts from multiple markets, convert at competitive rates, and pay suppliers in the local currency, often same day. If your costs are in euros but some sales are in sterling or krona, you can use firm orders or simple conversion rules to protect your margin when rates move. The goal is straightforward. Keep more of each sale and simplify supply payments so operations don't stall. So is Zalando worth it? If you operate in fashion, footwear or beauty and want credible reach in Europe, yes. Provided you treat content quality, sizing depth, delivery speed and returns as core levers, not afterthoughts. Start focused, pick 1 or 2 markets, launch a tight assortment with great imagery and clear size guides, and pressure test your contribution margin after fees and returns. If sell-through and reviews climb, expand your assortment, add more markets, and consider ZFS for speed and scale. When you're ready to optimize payouts and supplier payments, set up a world-first world account to keep fees low and cash flow simple. Before you go, hit subscribe. This episode is part of our Global Marketplace series, where we explore the world's top e-commerce platforms and how to start selling on each. Catch you in the next one.